Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Mauna Burgess. I'm a videographer. I'm here at Leeward Community College's TV Pro campus program. And, I really love it, and I'm working out at Olelo also. I grew up in Waianae. I was born in 1987. I went to Kamehameha for a little while, and I graduated at Waianae High School, though. And, I really love going to Waianae High School. I have a small family. My wife, Christiana Burgess, and my daughter, Layla. They're the light of my life. And, I really can't talk about myself or any of my work without bringing up my parents. And, growing up, I kind of lived in their shadow a lot. And so it's great to finally be here. But anyways, that's Poka'alai Nui and Punani Burgess. And you might know them. They're Hawaiian sovereigntists. And, growing up, I got to see a lot of things. I got to see protest marches and be a part of it and get arrested while doing sit-ins, And as a kid, it was really interesting to see that part of Hawaii, And so now that I'm in college, I just hope to use my skills to keep doing videography and to tell stories that need to be told. Some of the videos you might see hosted on Pūpū, which is, by the way, a really great program that I really love. A lot of them have to do with community and Hawaiian issues, but really generally what I've been working on for the last few years is a lot of community issues and just telling stories for people that are marginalized, people that don't get to talk in front of the camera, people that nobody wants to know about, But what are their stories and how do they struggle and how do they fight back and come back from the edge of darkness, But really what I want to do one day is I'd like to make a feature film, telling the story of what it was like to go from an ancient time into this kind of modern time and all the different kind of struggles that Kamehameha had to go through and our royalty had to go through all the way up to now, And really, as a videographer, I'd feel satisfied at the end of my life if I felt like made a contribution towards building some kind of nation, you know what I mean? Towards building some kind of unity. A Hawaiian government built on aloha and laulima and lokahi, and working together and just some kind of national pride. And so that's what I hope to do with my videography in the coming years. I hope to gain my skills and, of course, do community, but really I like to tell Hawaii's story from Hawaii's people.